Okay, so this last video is gonna take care of number 7 and 8. And on these, you're gonna already have graphs drawn for you. And I've already got some for that I drew by hand. So if we look at this top one, if you focus on the X and Y axis, this is your X and Y axis, this vertical line through here is your dashed line. Well, obviously, this is a vertical line, so this is either gonna be an X equation or a Y equation. So on these, you're writing the inequality, okay? So you've gotta remember that if it's vertical, it's going across the X-axis, so therefore this is an X inequality. It's going across at 1, 2. So 2 is your number, and then you know it's dashed, so you know the equal sign is not going to be included in the inequality. And then if you think of a number line, if I shade everything to the left, that's my less than area. So my inequality for this one has to be X is everything less than 2, because my mark was at 2, my line was at 2. So it's everything less than 2, and it doesn't include the line, so there's only the less than symbol, not the equal sign. All right, so the bottom one. So now we've got a horizontal line, because this is your x-axis, this is your horizontal line that has been drawn. Well, this time it's a solid line. So if the vertical line is x, then you should know that the horizontal line is y. And then this crosses at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my number. It's a solid line, so you know equal sign is going to be present. The shading is above it, so that has to be greater than. Whoops, let me write that a little bit better. So that has to be greater than because it's shaded above. So it's everything greater than and including that line, so it's greater than or equal to. And it's at 6, so it's greater than or equal to 6. And that is your inequality for that graph. All right, so that concludes my videos for this lesson, which was lesson 2.8 for linear inequalities.